지금 포타 사이트로 지금 향하고 있습니다. 뭐 거리는 그렇게 멀지 않아요. 여기서 대략 글쎄 한 15분 저희 집에서 킬로수로 한 10km 정도요. 네, 그래서 오늘은 그 최근에 구입한 그 FT-710하고 그 TS690 기존에 사용하고 있던 거죠. 네, 그 두 개를 한번 비교하면서 그 포타를 한번 지금 운영을 해보려고 합니다. 네, 오늘은 날씨가 좀 흐리네요. 뭐 하지만 춥지 않습니다. 춥지 않아서 지금 포근한 겨울이 되고 있습니다. CQ, 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 CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ, CQ, CQ. This is KC1ATW, Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey, CQ POTA and listening. Last ending Yankee. Please say again.
Kilowatt 4, Charlie Golf Yankee. Kilowatt 4, Canada, Germany Yankee.
K4CGY, KC1ATW. You are 59, Kilo 4746, Massachusetts, Mike Alpha, QSL.
QSL, Dong. You're also 59 in Virginia. Nice signal this afternoon. Thank you, 73.
Thank you, 73, QRZ.
Kilo 9 Alpha, Sierra Echo,
Park station, please go ahead.
Kilowatt 9 Alpha, Sierra Echo.
Kilo 9 Alpha Sierra Echo. This is KC1ATW. My name is Dong, and this POTA site 4746, Massachusetts, QSL.
Roger. I have you about a 5-5, Dom, at Park 10228.
Yeah, 10228 QSL, and you are 59 in Massachusetts, QSL.
Thank you for the 5 and 9. Enjoy your activation,
73 QRZ. Kilo Delta 8 Zulu Papa X-ray, KC1ATW returning. You are 57 in Massachusetts, Kilo 4746 QSL.
QSL, you are also a 5-7, which is our Kilo 3312, Kilo 3312.
QSL Kilo 3312 QSL. Thank you very much. 73 QRZ Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey POTA.
Kilo Mike 4, Julia Papa Lima.
Kilo Mike for Juliet Papa Lima, KC1ATW. You are 59 Kilo 4746 QSL.
QSL, you are 5-9 in eastern North Carolina. Thanks for your activation.
Thank you for your signal level. 73 QRZ. Kilo Bravo 7 station, go ahead.
Kilo Bravo 7, Tango Golf Romeo.
Yeah, Kilo Bravo 7 Tango Golf Romeo. Yeah, your signal 57 Kilo 4746 in Massachusetts, Mike Alpha QSL.
Thanks to the 5-7, you're 33 in the northeast Wyoming. 33 Wyoming.
I'm sorry. Could you repeat your QTH again?
Wyoming, Whiskey Yankee, Wyoming.
Oh, thank you for Wyoming. Okay, 33. Thank you. Okay, 73. QRZ Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey.
Whiskey Alpha 3, Charlie Romeo Lima. Victor Alpha 3, Charlie Romeo Lima.
Last ending Lima station. Last ending Lima station. Go ahead.
Victor Alpha 3 Charlie Romeo Lima. Victor Alpha 3 Charlie Romeo Lima. QSL?
QSL VA3 CRL KC1 ATW. You are 5959 Kilo 4746 Massachusetts. My name is Dong. Back to you. Over.
Copy, copy, final. Victor Alpha 3 Charlie Romeo Lima 73.
Thank you for 597373 QRZ. Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey. I am at Kilo 4746. Kilo 4746 Massachusetts. Mike Alpha. And my name is Dong. D-O-N-G. Back to you. Over.
Thank you, Dong. I am QSL on that. You're a 5959 here into the park in Michigan, Kilo 6789, Kilo 6789, and my call sign is Alpha Delta 8 Mike Papa. Again, Alpha Delta 8 Mike Papa. QSL?
QSL. Okay, last one is a Papa. I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah, your signal 5757. How much power are you running, brake?
I am running 20 watts out of an NSED halfway.
Okay, QSL. Okay, I think that makes sense. I am running about 100 watts with a battery. My transceiver radio is a TS690, which is a very old one, but still, okay, I don't complain anything. So my antenna is 16 feet vertical, 16 feet vertical homemade QSL.
All right, QSL, yeah, you've got great audio out of the TS690, and your signal sounds very good here.
Okay, enjoy your activation and hope we can meet soon again. 73.
73, Dong, 88 MP.
QRZ, this is a Kilo Charlie 1 Alpha Tango Whiskey POTA.
Kilowatt 2, Quebec, Bravo.
Kilowatt Quebec 2 Bravo, KC1 ATW returning. You are 5959 in Massachusetts, Mike Alpha. Kilo 4746 QSL.
Did you come back to K2QB?
Yes, K2QB, correct.
QSL, yes, thanks for the call. You're 5959 into New York, QSL.
QSL. Thank you for nice signal report and happy holidays and 73.
73 is happy New Year to you.
일단 CW는 출력을 좀 낮춰보겠습니다. 뭐 아마 30W 갖고도 충분할 것 같은데요. 네, 30W로 낮추겠습니다. 모드는 CW 어퍼, 그리고 자, 이것도 포타도 일단 10국이 넘긴 것 같은데요. 일단 뭐 배터리는 아직 작동 중이고요. 이렇게 아주 쇼트립용으로서는 지금 요 배터리 두 개도 충분히 감당을 할 수 있는 것이 네, 테스트 결과입니다. 그리고 좀 더 길게 교신하려면 뭐 당연히 배터리를 좀 늘려야겠죠. 지금 여기 보이는 거는 지금 2200mAh입니다. 그래서 두 개는 4400. 요 정도로 제 생각에는 글쎄요, 지금 한 2-30분 정도 된 것 같은데요. 네, 그래서 요거를 좀 오래 교신하려면 2200 말고 뭐 8000이라든가 한 10,000 그 정도로 올리면 충분히 포터블로 교신이 가능할 것 같습니다.